Hello, bros. This is Matt again from GoBytes. Today we'll be solving the first problem in LeetCode in our new preparation series for interview. Yes, I hope you bros enjoy. But before we start, please subscribe, hit like, and let's go. So we will be starting with two sound problem, which is considered easy here, and we are going to solve it in JavaScript. So what it says is that we have a given an array of integers. The first called num and the second called target, and we should return the two indices of the two number that they add up to target. So, and he will be given an array called num, and there are two numbers in each num array that will, if we added them up, it will be the target. So let's see an example. Yes, the input should be an array called nums and would enter their target. 9, so that we call the 0 and the 1 called 9, right? Yeah, 2 and 7 equal 9, and we should return the end state, which is 0 and 1. Let's see how this will work. So, first things first, I would like to, it's a problem, and I just, connected to write the given, which is the array of integers, and integer called target, sorry, and here the array called nums. And then we should, or what we must return is array of indices of the sum of the target from the given array. Now I don't need to write it down. Okay. So I might consider two solutions. The first one is brute force, of course, and hash map. So brute force, or the annotation as we all know, I like to think about it like as a phone book, right? Every time I every time I meet a new person or something, so I take his phone number and I'm gonna save it in my phone book and his name and so on. So whenever I need to call him, I have two ways. So I need to call him, so I need his number. So I'm gonna search for in the phone book by either two ways. The first one is to scroll down on the contact list until I find his name and his number, or the easiest one, which is simply by searching by his name, right? The first one, the one that I will be scrolling, this is called brute force. And the other one, which is searching by his name, is simply the hash map function. So that doesn't mean that the brute force is wrong, because if his name is starting with A, so he will be the first one in the list. So I'm not going searching for it will take much longer, right? So yeah, let's start. First, I'll need to write this as a code. So we will need to start the phone book list itself. So I'm going to create the list, which is here, new map, a new array that we are going to save each number of the given array in it. And then we will loop through it. So let I equal 0 and I is the length. Also add one each time. Okay, so let's now find the target itself. So the target means that let's call it the missing number that we're searching for. And we will say that the target itself equals the numbers or the array or the current indices that we have in the array while we're looping through it, right? So, and we need to check if we already saw the pair or the number while mapping through the original array. So, if while mapping you have the missing number, you find the missing number. Just return the one what you are looking for, the array of indices. An array and method get missing number and the current I or the current indices. Yeah, it's maps. No, it's not. It's map. Nothing is going on. Okay, and if not, so just add map. That's it. Add the number or store the current number in the map, right? So the current I with giant star. Yeah, so let's give it a try and see if it works or not. It's definitely not working. Yeah, the original mistake. Somebody does that. Stop doing this mistake. That's the beginner. Fuck, what the fuck, guard? Definitely, I'm not saying anything. What happened here? So, yeah, this will be this, and map, and Vartal. Actually, this means nothing yet. This is definitely gonna work. Yeah, and it's 88%, right? Uh-huh. So, it's pretty cool in the end. Yeah, it's been some mistakes, but it's all called the learning phase. So, no problem with that. I will be posting it. Okay, that was all for today, bro. Next time, I'm thinking of starting to discuss our last video topic. So, in details, hope to know your opinions in the comment if you would like me to start with it, or I'm also thinking to actually start the project we mentioned as a tutorial or something. So, give me a hint in the comment and take care. Cheers. See you.